In this video, I will tell you how to send money using the Wise app. So first what you need to do is open the Wise app. Then from the home screen, tap Send. Next, choose the recipient's country and select the currency you want to send and the currency they will receive. After that, enter either the amount you want to send. Now add the recipient. If you are sending money to a bank account, enter their full legal name and the correct bank details, such as their IBAN, account number, or any local bank information required in their country. Then choose how you want to pay. Wise will show you the available payment methods, the exact fee, exchange rate, and estimated arrival time before you confirm the transfer. Review all the recipient details carefully, then tap Continue and Send. Finally, complete the payment and track your transfer in the Wise app until it is delivered. That's how you send money using the Wise app. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe.